Which of the following has positive slope and a negative y-coordinate for its y-intercept? We have 4 graphs. Let's label them A, B, C, and D. We're going to go through each one. We're looking for positive slope, or a slope that is increasing from left to right, but we're also looking for the graph to cross the y-axis below the x-axis as a negative coordinate. So let's look at A. It is increasing from left to right, but notice it touches the y-axis above the x-axis, so that y-coordinate is not negative. So we'll move along and check B. Again, increasing from left to right. We also notice that it is touching the y-axis below the x-axis, having a negative coordinate. So we're going to put a star by this one, and we're going to check our last 2. Checking C, first thing we notice is that it's decreasing from left to right, so it does not have a positive slope. So we don't need to go any further. Checking D, also from left to right, is decreasing, so it will not have a positive slope. So our choice from our initial investigation, B, is the right choice. It has a positive slope and it has a negative y-coordinate at the y-intercept.